This is Wilson Science. Today we're going to look at a really simple, quick experiment that you can use for a couple of different things. It's great for looking at scientific methods, how we do science, how we change variables, and see how that impacts the experiment. But it also looks at the special properties of water, like adhesion, cohesion, and surface area. So let's have a look at what you'll need. You'll need a cup of water. You'll need an eyedropper or a pipette, and I just grabbed this one from a bottle that I already had, so you probably can find one of these around the house. You'll need a penny. I've got a couple different ones here. I've got an American penny, and a British penny, but you could use any type of penny, or you could substitute out a different type of coin. And then finally, you need a piece of paper towel, a little towel, washcloth, something like that, in order to make sure we're not making a mess. So I call this the Drops on the Penny Lab, and like I said, it's really simple. All you're going to do is take your penny, put it on to your cloth that you're using, and then you're going to take your dropper, get some water in it, and put a drop onto the penny, and watch and see, make observations about what you see. Now, there's a handout that you can find linked in the description that will show you how to collect your data for this. So you're going to count how many drops of water you can fit on the penny. And I'm starting heads up. You could start tails up. It's up to you. You just want to make sure that you keep that information recorded. I'm going to continue adding drops and counting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to continue doing that until it looks about half filled with water. Then I'm going to do it until it overflows, and then not count that drop that causes it to overflow. So then you can take this experiment and change it up. You can change which side of the coin you use. You could change the dropper you're using to see if the size of the drops matter. You could use a different coin, so a different size coin, to see if that makes a difference. And so you can manipulate this to change your independent variable, which would be which side of the coin you're using, the type of coin you're using. And then see how that affects your dependent variable, which is the number of drops that you can fit on the penny. So I hope you really enjoyed this experiment. Like I said, it's quick, it's easy, it's fun, and you can learn about adhesion, cohesion, surface tension, and what those special properties of water, how they work. More information in the handout, and you can work on your scientific methods. Enjoy! Let me know how it goes. Thank you!